Hey guys, it's Best Channel 12, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the loudest noise with a beach ball. Your beach ball will just have to end up like not that flat and not that pumped up, and you'll need to do it on tile floor. You'll just need to go like this. And that's how you do it. And that's my video for now. The end.